Ever wondered why your favorite sales rep is always on top of their game? Why they seem to know exactly what to say to close a deal? It might not be pure charisma or years of experience. It could be something far more tangible: spiffs. Let's break the ice. What the heck is a spiff? Is it a new dance move? A secret code for extra fries? Nope. It's a sales incentive. A little extra cash, a perk, or a prize offered to boost sales. Think of it as a carrot dangled in front of a donkey, except the donkey is a sales rep and the carrot is a bonus. Now, you might be thinking, why would a company pay extra just to get people to buy stuff? Fair question. It's all about motivation. A little extra incentive can work wonders on a sales team's performance. It's like adding a turbocharger to a car. Sure, the car can run without it, but with it, it's a beast. Spiffs come in all shapes and sizes. There's the cash bonus, the most straightforward one. You make a sale, you get paid extra. Simple, effective. Then there are the perks. Maybe it's a trip to a fancy resort or a new gadget. These can be really motivating, especially for a team that's been working hard. And let's not forget the prizes. Cars, motorcycles, even houses have been given away as spiffs. Talk about a grand prize. But it's not just about the money or the prizes. Spiffs can also be a tool for product knowledge. Some companies offer extra incentives for selling specific products or reaching certain sales targets. This encourages sales reps to become experts in their field, which benefits both the rep and the customer. However, like any tool, spiffs can be misused. If they're not structured properly, they can lead to unhealthy competition or even unethical behavior. It's essential for companies to set clear guidelines and monitor their spiff programs closely. So, are spiffs worth it? Well, that depends. If they're structured correctly and aligned with the company's goals, they can be a powerful tool for boosting sales and employee morale. But if they're not managed properly, they can do more harm than good. It's a delicate balance. Too little incentive, and your sales team might be lackluster. Too much, and you could end up with a team more focused on the bonus than the customer. The key is to find the sweet spot. Offer enough incentive to motivate your team without compromising your company's values. And remember, while spiffs can be a powerful tool, they're not a magic wand. A strong sales team is built on more than just bonuses. It's about product knowledge, customer service, and a genuine desire to help people. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.